So hello dear students. So today we are going to talk about the sloped roof buildings. Okay. So especially we are going to draw the industrial building. So usually the industrial buildings or the factories or the godowns, these are having the sloped roof. Okay. So before discussing that, let us just have an overall revision of where the sloped roof buildings are used. So we can see here, and also the sloped roof buildings are also called as the pitched roof buildings. Okay. So now the sloped roof buildings, they are used in residential buildings and industrial buildings as well. Okay. Not only industrial buildings, godowns, factories also the sloped roof are used. Okay. So then in residential buildings there are again two types here. In residential buildings, the roof, the slope can be achieved in this manner. Two types. One is RCC sloped building, another is tiled roof building. Okay. So in the residential building, if you want to make a slope for the slab, either it can be done from the RCC, that is the RCC sloped building, or you can go for the tiled roof building. So tiled roof building, this is usually common in villages and in Konkan areas. Okay. So usually tiled roof buildings are common there. And RCC sloped buildings, usually wherever there is heavy snowfall, if at all we are going to give the sloped building, it will be helpful. And wherever there is rainfall, there is more rainfall, there RCC sloped building can be given, so that the rainfall and the snowfall doesn't affect the building much. Okay. So please Google the images of this. Okay. RCC sloped building and the tiled roof building. So just here I have shown slight picture like this. See here. So this is the slab. Okay. You can see this is the RCC slab, the sloped one. As it is, the slab reinforcement is given, but it is given in the sloped direction. That is the RCC sloped building. So what about the tiled roof building? So for the slope, they are going to keep like tiles. So these tiles are not the ones that are used on the floor. Okay. Tiled roof is different and tile floor is different. So tiled roof, you can just go in Google and search that. So just for example, I have taken here. Okay. This is a tile. In this shape it will be one by side, okay, one below the another, like this the tiles are arranged to make a slope in the building. Okay. So this is the tiled roof building and this is the RCC sloped building. And then what about the industrial building? So for the industrial building or godown or factories, usually sloped roof is given. And how the sloped roof is given? It is usually by AC sheet. Okay. You are very well aware of the AC sheet. Usually we are going to give the sloped roof for the industrial buildings. Okay. Wherever there are heavy machineries kept, wherever there is heavy work going on, AC sheet is given as a sloped roof. And this AC sheet is supported by steel members. Okay. Because the AC sheet is given in the slope like this. So in this manner and in this manner, the slope is given. So to support that AC sheet, we are going to use the steel members, which is called as the truss. Okay. So the steel member called truss, we are going to use it for the support as the support for the AC sheet. So this is about the industrial building. Okay. So in the further video, we will discuss about more technical aspects of the industrial building and about the truss.